and welcome to my kitchen. We're here another day for another amazing recipe, and today is the turn of albóndigas a la española, or meatballs Spanish style. This is part of my albóndigas series, so I hope that you give it a try and you love it. And the way that we start our albóndigas a la española is by heating some oil in a pan and adding the onions. We need to cook the onions well until they are see-through and brown. Next, add the garlic, the carrots, and the parsley. And as with the other videos in the series, I'm only going to do a small sample. The ingredients for a full dinner or a full meal will be in the description box below. It will be for about 4 people. But on this series we will do just a small sample. And we'll add a bit of salt. And we will let it cook until, as I said, the onion is see-through and brown. Don't forget to cover your pot so they will cook properly. So the onions are now brown, everything seems to be cooked. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the wine. I'm going to do a mix of wine and water. Once we have added the wine and the water, we're going to keep on cooking until it's reduced. Let's say half of it. So we'll cover it. All right. So, it has reduced. We've been cooking at medium heat and it has reduced a lot. Now what we are going to do, we're going to pass on the chino. This is a chino. I'm not sure how you call it. So we're going to put all these in the chino, as we call it in Spain. And we're going to make a puree. Right, so I've done that and I got a little sauce. I didn't get a lot of sauce because I have not made loads, it's only a sample. So we are going to work with this. So we have the albóndigas in the pot and I'm going to add the sauce on top of them. Sorry, I didn't show you that. I'm going to shake a bit to cover them and we'll put it in medium heat and we'll let it cook for about 5 minutes or so, and you will see how lovely this is going to be. Part of my albóndigas series. You can find all the other sauces here at the top, how to make the albóndigas as well, and you can find them in the description box below. Right, so the sauce is looking very good. Albóndigas are looking good, smelling lovely. So I'm going to serve up. Take off the heat, serve up, and you will see. And this, my dear friends, is how albóndigas a la española look. Meatballs Spanish style. The sauce is the star of this dish. It smells delicious and I can assure you it will taste delicious. So if you like this dish or any other of the dishes in my channel, show us some love by sharing, liking, commenting, etc. and by trying it as well. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!